Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you all are doing great. Okay students, open your English workbook. Page number is 5050. Today we will learn article A. The sound of A is A. The sound of A is A. Okay, there are 21 consonants. 21 consonants which says B, K, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, W, W, X, Y, Z. Okay? We use article A with these consonants. Okay? I have written the word tree. T-R-E-E, tree. Next word is J-U-G, jug. And the next is D-U-C-K, duck. The first letter T. T-R-E-E, tree. This is a consonant. And we will write here A. Article A. And the next is jug. J-U-G, jug. We will write here A. And the next D-U-C-K, duck. We will write here A. Article A. A tree, a jug, a duck. Okay students, I hope you will understand the lesson. Allah Hafiz.